But right here, we know it's not heavy oil. So Environment Canada now study the type of oil and look at the fate and behavior of the oil. It's not only the drifting, it doesn't drift for days and days. You know, the diesel is evaporating, it's dissolving a little bit.
Okay.
So they can quantify and look at the measure has been taken or the...
So this is deployed actually right in the middle of the diesel or the oil or whatever contaminants there are. So does short bursts of sound or?
Yeah, you'll see.
Yeah.
In a few seconds. Just take the time for the computer and everything. ECRC had some, but you know, since it's a very, very close area, guns are better because you can direct them and spot the birds, and this is used when we are offshore. It's like with helicopters, another system, we have a specialized computer system that with helicopter we can track the oil, drifting and shoreline assessment and everything, and send it to everyone so everybody has a picture of what's going on.
Do you find that it's more of a challenge to assess any sort of contaminants in an area of water that has heavy current like this?
Well, we're used to heavy current, so we're working in the St. Lawrence River all the time, so it's different because